Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do rational numbers exercise 1D division. Exercise 1D is on page number 21. Question 1 says evaluate. Evaluate means solve what is given here, and as you can see the symbol is division. So how do we do division of rational numbers? So the first rational number we write it as it is, then we change division to multiplication and we write the reciprocal of the second rational number. So let's do that. So this will be 1 divided by 1 by 3. This is a question, isn't it? So the first rational number remains as it is. Division changes to multiplication and we write the reciprocal of 1 by 3, which is 3 by 1. Now it has become multiplication, as you can see, and we just learned multiplication where we multiply the numerators and the denominators. Now this will have the denominator 1. Now we'll multiply the numerators and the denominators. 1 3s are 3 and the denominator 1 into 1 is 1. 3 by 1 is equal to 3. So our answer to this question is 3. Question 2. So here also what do we have? We have 3 divided by 3 by 5. So the first rational number we write as it is. The second one, now before that we change this to multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second one. 3 by 5 now becomes 5 by 3. Let's give this the denominator 1. Now it has become multiplication of rational numbers. Now we can cancel 3 and 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. Now we multiply the numerators and the denominators. 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1 and 5 by 1 is equal to 5 and this is our answer. Question 3. So the first one, let's write it as it is, minus 5 by 12. We change division to multiplication and write the reciprocal of 1 by 16, which is 16 by 1. Now what can we cancel here? We can cancel 12 and 16. We can cancel it by 2. We can also cancel it by 4. So let's use 4. 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. Now nothing else to cancel, so let's multiply the numerators and the denominators. Minus 5 into 4 is equal to minus 5 4s are 20. In the denominator, 3 1s are 3. So what is our answer here? Minus 20 by 3. Question 4. So let's write the first one as it is, minus 21 by 16. Division changes to multiplication and minus 7 by 8 now becomes 8 by minus 7. Now we can cancel first the signs, minus sign in the numerator, minus sign in the denominator. Now we can cancel 7 and 21. 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21. We can also cancel 8 and 16. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Now multiply the numerators and the denominators. 3 ones are 3 and 2 ones are 2. 3 by 2, which we can convert to a mixed number. 2 ones are 2 and what is remaining? 1 more. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So what's our answer? 1 1 by 2 is the final answer here. Question 5. 0 divided by minus 4 by 7. So 0 and division changes to multiplication. Minus 4 by 7 becomes 7 by minus 4. Now anything into 0 will give us 0. So 0 into 7 by minus 4 is 0. So the answer to this question is 0. Question 6. 8 by minus 5 divided by 24 by 25. So first rational number write as it is. Division changes to multiplication and write the reciprocal 25 by 24. Now here we can cancel 8 and 24. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. We can cancel 5 and 25. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. Now multiply numerators and denominators. 1 into 5 is 5. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. We can also write this as minus 5 by 3. So our final answers here. Question 7. First rational number, let's write it as it is, 3 by 4. Division changes to multiplication. Now minus 9. Minus 9 will have the denominator 1. Now write the reciprocal. It becomes 1 by minus 9. First thing, we'll cancel the minus signs. Then we can cancel 3 and 9. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Now let's multiply the numerators and the denominators. 1 into 1 is 1 and 4 threes are 12. So 1 by 12 is our answer. Question 8. So here also let's write the first rational number as it is. Let's change the division to multiplication. Minus 5 by 12, we can write the reciprocal as 12 by minus 5. So now here we can cancel 4 and 12. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Now multiply the numerators and the denominators. So here 3 threes are 9. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. This can also be written as minus 9 by 5. Question 9. Minus 5. Division changes to multiplication. Now remember, whenever you have a minus sign, you can give it to the numerator or the denominator. So here we'll give it to the numerator like we did in the previous questions also. So minus 10 by 11, when you write the reciprocal, it becomes 11 by minus 10. Now we can cancel the minus signs first. Then we can cancel 5 and 10. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Now this one has a denominator 1. It's understood. Now let's multiply the numerators and the denominators. 1 into 11 is 11 and 1 into 2 is 2. 11 by 2. This we can convert to a mixed number. We say the tables of 2 till we get a number close to 10. That is, 2 5s are 10. Now what is left? 1. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 is 11 and then by 2. So our final answer after converting is 5 1 by 2. Question 10. Question 10. Let's begin by writing the first rational number as it is. Then change division to multiplication. Minus 3 by 44 will now become 44 by minus 3. Now here we can cancel the minus signs first and then 11 and 44. 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 44. Multiply the numerators and the denominators. 7 fours are 28 and 1 threes are 3. So we have an improper fraction which we can convert to a mixed number. Now we need to say the tables of 3 till we reach a number close to 28. 3 nines are 27. So 3 nines are 27 plus 1 is 28 by 3. So our final answer as a mixed number is 9 1 by 3. Question 2, divide. So here division is given and not evaluate. So we know it is division here. So let's rewrite this question with a division sign. So this will be 3 divided by 1 by 3. Now we know how to do division just like the previous question. So the first rational number remains as it is. Division changes to multiplication and we write the reciprocal of 1 by 3 which is 3 by 1. And this is also 3 by 1. Now we multiply the numerators and the denominators. 3 threes are 9, 1 ones are 1. 9 by 1 is equal to 9 and this is our answer. Question 2. So let's write that down. Minus 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. So this, because the minus sign is there, it's within brackets. So first rational number as it is, we'll give it the denominator 1. Division changes to multiplication. Minus 2 by 1 becomes 2 by minus 1. Now let's cancel the minus signs. So here we have cancelled this. Now there's nothing more to cancel. We multiply the numerators and the denominators. 2 twos are 4, 1 ones are 1, 4 by 1 is equal to 4. So this is our answer. 0 by 7 by minus 9. 0 divided by 7 by minus 9. Now 0 divided by any number. Now suppose you just take a normal number, divide 0 by a regular number. 3 zeros are 0. So our quotient here is 0. That is our answer, isn't it? So when you divide 0 by any number, your answer is 0. So here we'll still follow the steps. So 0, division changes to multiplication, minus 9 by 7. So when you multiply 0 with any number, your answer is 0. Question 4. Minus 5 by 8. Let's write that. Minus 5 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. So the first rational number remains the same. Division changes to multiplication. 1 by 4 becomes 4 by 1. We can cancel 4 and 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now multiply the numerators and the denominators. Now minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. 2 into 1 is 2. So what's our answer? Minus 5 by 2. Question 5. Minus 3 by 4 divided by minus 9 by 16. So first one remains the same, minus 3 by 4. Division changes to multiplication and the reciprocal is 16 by minus 9. First let's cancel the minus signs. Then 3 and 9. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. Then 4 and 16. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. Numerators you can multiply and the denominators. 1 into 4 is 4 and 1 into 3 is 3. 4 by 3 which you can convert to a mixed number. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3. 1 by 3 is our final answer in the mixed form. Question 3. The product of two rational numbers is minus 2. If one of them is 4 by 7, find the other number. So what's given to us? The product of two rational numbers is given to us, which is minus 2. That is, when you multiply two numbers, the answer that you get is minus 2. And what else have we been given? We've been given one number, which is 4 by 7. Now we have to find the other number. So let's consider the other number to be x. So product of two rational numbers, one number is given to us, that means 4 by 7 is one number into the other number which we consider to be x. This is equal to minus 2. Now we have to find the other number which is x. X is equal to, we write minus 2 here and we are going to transpose this 4 by 7 to the right hand side because it's multiplication here. When it goes there it becomes division. So this is divided by 4 by 7. So now we're going to find the value of x. X is equal to, now this is minus 2 by 1. So minus 2 by 1, division changes to multiplication. 4 by 7 becomes 7 by 4. Now what can we cancel here? I can cancel 2 and 4. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Now let's multiply the numerator and the denominator. So x is equal to 1 into 7 is 7 with a minus sign, minus 7 by 1 into 2 is 2, minus 7 by 2. So we have found the other number. The other number here we said is x and we found out x to be minus 7 by 2. So let's write it here. The other number is minus 7 by 2. So we have our answer there and here also we have worked it out here. Question 4. The product of two numbers is minus 4 by 9. If one of them is minus 2 by 27, find the other. Similar to the previous question. So, product of two numbers is given to us. Let's write it down. That's minus 4 by 9. We've also been given one of the numbers which is minus 2 by 27. Now, we've been asked to find the other number. Let's consider that number to be x. That means take that first number given minus 2 by 27. This is one number. When we multiply this by the other number which we don't know and we're calling it x, the answer that we get is minus 4 by 9. Now to find the value of x, this is like solving an equation. X is equal to minus 4 by 9. Now we'll transpose minus 2 by 27 to the other side. Because it's multiplication here, when it goes to the other side, it becomes division. So this is divided by minus 2 by 27. Now let's solve for x. X is equal to minus 4 by 9. Division changes to multiplication. Minus 2 by 27 becomes 27 by minus 2. Now let's see what we can cancel. We can cancel minus and minus. We can cancel 2 and 4. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. We can cancel 9 and 27. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. Now let's multiply the numerators and the denominators. So now we can find the value of x. X is equal to 2 threes are 6 in the numerator, 1 ones are 1. So x is equal to 6 by 1, or x is equal to 6. So what is x? X is the other number. Instead, we said let the other number be x because we have to find that. We have found it to be 6. So let's write it here. The other number is 6. Question 5. M and n are two rational numbers such that m into n is equal to minus 25 by 9. Now the first question is, if m is so much, we have to find n. So here we've been told that m into n is so much. So let's write that down first. So m into n is equal to minus 25 by 9. And we've also been told what m is. So let's substitute for m. So here it is 5 by 3 into n is what we need to find out. This is equal to minus 25 by 9. As you can see, this is in the form of an equation, isn't it? Now we have to find the value of x. To solve the value of n, to solve for n, we're going to leave n here and we're going to move this 5 by 3 to the other side. And when we move 5 by 3 to the other side, since it is multiplication, it will turn to division. So let's follow those steps carefully. So we are going to find the value of n. So on the right hand side, we have minus 25 by 9. We're writing as it is. Now we're going to transpose 5 by 3 to the other side. So since it's multiplication, this will become division divided by 5 by 3. Now to find the value of n, all we have to do is do this division, and we know how to do this division, isn't it? So this is minus 25 by 9. Division changes to multiplication. We write the reciprocal of 5 by 3. So that becomes 3 by 5. Now we can cancel. I can cancel 3 and 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. I can cancel 25 and 5. 25, 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. Now multiply the numerators and the denominators. So this way we can find the value of n. So when you multiply the numerators, 5 ones are 5 and 3 ones are 3. We also have a minus sign. So the answer here is n is equal to minus 5 by 3. Question 5, it's the same question. Now we have a second part to it. So we have m into n equals minus 25 by 9. This time we have been given the value of n and we're asked to find the value of m. So just like the previous question, let's start by saying m into n is equal to minus 25 by 9. Now this is an equation now. M is what we need to find out. M into n is given to us minus 10 by 9. This is equal to minus 25 by 9. Now we're going to find the value of m. So we'll leave m on the left hand side. On the right we have minus 25 by 9. Now we're going to transpose this minus 10 by 9 to the right side. Because it is multiplication here, when it goes to the right side it becomes division. So this becomes divided by minus 10 by 9. Now to find the value of m, we say minus 25 by 9, division changes to multiplication, minus 10 by 9 becomes 9 by minus 10. First thing, we can cancel the minus sign. We can cancel 25 and 10 by 5. 5 fives are 25 and 5 twos are 10. We can also cancel 9 and 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. Now multiply the numerators and the denominators. So this way we can find the value of m. M is equal to 5 ones are 5 and 1 twos are 2. So what's your answer? 5 by 2. This is the value of m. Question 6. By what number must minus 3 by 4 be multiplied so that the product is minus 9 by 16? That means one number is given to us minus 3 by 4. By what number should this be multiplied? So let's consider that number to be x. So by what number should be multiplied to get minus 9 by 16? The product is given to us. One number is given to us. We have to find the other number. This is just like the previous question, children. The only difference is the question is worded differently. So you should be able to read and understand the question properly. Okay. So let me read again. By what number must minus 3, 4 be multiplied? See, minus 3, 4, 3 by 4 is multiplied by x. We don't know that number. So we're going to call it x, so that the product is minus 9 by 16. So the answer should be minus 9 by 16. Now we're going to find the value of x. So now let's find the value of x. So this is an equation now. We'll leave x here. And on the other side, we have minus 9 by 16. Let's transpose this minus 3 by 4 to the other side. Because it's multiplication, it will turn into division when it goes to the other side. So divided by minus 3 by 4. So this will be x is equal to minus 9 by 16, division changes to multiplication, minus 3 by 4 becomes 4 by minus 3. Now we can cancel minus and minus. We can also cancel 3 and 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. We can cancel 4 and 16. 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. Now let's multiply the numerators and the denominators. So when you multiply, what do we get? We find that x is equal to 3 ones are 3 and 4 ones are 4. X is equal to 3 by 4. So what have we found? We have found the value of x, and x is that number. Okay, so this number, by what number we were asked, isn't it? So this number, we took it to be x, and that we have found out now to be 3 by 4. Question 7. A very similar question. By what number must minus 8 by 13 be multiplied to get 16? So if we have minus 8 by 13, by what number should we multiply this? So let's consider that unknown number to be x, and our answer will be 16. So now we're going to solve for x. Let's leave x here, and on the right hand side we leave 16. Now we're going to move minus 8 by 13 to the right hand side. Because it's multiplication, it will turn to division. So division of minus 8 by 13. Now we are going to find the value of x. X is equal to 16. Division changes to multiplication. Minus 8 by 13. Let's write the reciprocal, 13 by minus 8. Now let's cancel. Give this the denominator 1. Cancel 8 and 16. 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. Nothing more to cancel. So multiply the numerators and the denominators. So here what do we get? X is equal to 2 into 13, that is 26, by 1 into 1 is 1, and we have a minus sign. 26 by minus 1, or x is equal to minus 26. So this is our answer. X is equal to minus 26. And what did we say x is? X is that number, okay, that we had to find out, and we found out that number to be minus 26. We'll stop with that for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.